Hello everyone. Welcome back to HK Recipes. Today, we are making a tasty and easy tomato, and capsicum curry, a delicious recipe made with simple ingredients. First, heat some oil in a pan and add onion after frying onion. Now add the potatoes and cook them for a few minutes. After that, add fresh tomatoes and colorful capsicum. Mix everything well and cook until the vegetables become soft and flavorful. After that, add salt according to taste and add some veg spices. Look at this delicious and colorful curry. It is ready to serve. You can serve it with chapati or rice. Always remember, a little effort creates great taste. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next recipe video. Motivation ending line. Learning something new every day is the first step toward growth.